Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.